So yesterday we talked about why you might want to be in the Art Hub community. But today, what we want to say is what you're going to get out of it. So we'll talk about the transformation, how it's actually going to affect you as a person and your art. So I think that by being together with other people, you're going to learn a lot. And without even trying. And I think that the advantage of community is the same as when I have people in classes. It's an enjoyable experience. It's an immersive experience, and you'll get inspired and almost without knowing. And it's the sort of thing that a year down the line, you'll look back and go, oh yeah, my art is way better than it was. What you're actually doing is providing environment for yourself that makes it easy for you to move forward.
Yeah, we're all about nurturing artists, no matter what stage you're at, and tapping more into your authentic self as well as an artist. So, in essence, you'll become more of the kind of creative that you want to be. And you'll get to build your confidence as well while you're doing that, because you'll have the support of the community around you, all of the things that are in place to help you on your journey. So we'll talk a bit more in the next email about how the things that we do in the membership and how that links to building yourself as an artist, building your confidence, building community, and making yourself more authentic as an artist as well.
Yeah, and I'll just say, if you're a beginner out there thinking, this sounds like a really difficult thing for me to go into. How can I be an authentic artist when I don't even know what art I want to paint? It's part of it. And if you can just be exploring who you are, and it's almost like I heard a phrase the other day which said, serious play makes serious art. I loved it. Yeah. So if you can seriously play, which is what we're going to do in the community, you'll find yourself.
Yeah.
See you in the next video. Look out for how we're going to do it.
Yeah. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.
Bye for now.